Guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Motorhomes and RVs. We're glad to have you here with us today. Marker lights, this is brand new and this is not. This has been ceramic coated. It will never rot out again, and I'm not kidding you, because once we ceramic coated it, we'll then treat it with our 303 once every year and they will stay looking just like that. So let me share with you how to do it and go from this ugliness all crazed up in there, cracked up right there, to this gorgeous little cap. Now this is very simple. We bought and always buy a bunch of these, keep them around. We are a detailing company, so we show people how to detail. See our mother station on YouTube. It is Sweet Project Cars. And we have over 500 videos on DIY stuff you can do to your car to save a lot of money. So the bulb holder is still out there on the motorhome. It's good. We just took it out of the base. The base was all cracked up and bad, and that needs 303 on it as well. I'll share with you some sweet tips here. We take a paint pencil and we go around the whole inside of it. And we do this with silver. And you already know why we do that, for the reflective ability of it. Now you can use a chrome paint if you want. These paint pencils work really well for this, and they're fast. Done. So we're going to take this standard bulb out and we're going to install LEDs. That's one of the reasons these covers rot out, because they get too hot and burn up. Now, all these tools and products will be in the show more of the video description. So all you have to do is find that and you will find all the tools and products that we use. So we take that and we'll put it back in. Now, because I already ceramic coated this, I'm going to share with you how to do that. We'll do it on this red cover right here. You clean this cover up with 99% rubbing alcohol. You can only use 99% rubbing alcohol, and again, that will be in the tool list in the show more of the video description. We take our microfiber towel that comes in the pack with the ceramic coating, and all you do is put a little bit on right here, go over the lens. We do the entire lens. Now, when you're doing lenses like this, usually when you do paint and you ceramic coat paint or glass, you will let it dry 10-15 minutes in 70-degree or warmer weather out of the sun and buff it off to a beautiful shine. But with this, what we do is we coat them and we leave it. We do not touch it after that. So that lens is done and ready to go. All it has to do is dry. It'll be fully cured in 48 hours. It will be able to be out in the rain after 12 hours. So now once you put your cap back on, snap it on, screw your plug back in, now you have the most super tuned marker light.